Let's make sweet and spicy candied bacon. For the honey mustard, into a bowl, 1 cup mayo, half a cup of yellow mustard, 1/4 cup of Dijon mustard, half a cup of honey powder, and half a cup of sugar. Whisk until combined. With the honey mustard done, we move on to the bacon. Grab 6 slices of thick-cut bacon. Cut each one in half. Brush with honey mustard. Sprinkle with chili powder. Flip them over, and once again, honey mustard, and then sprinkle with some more chili powder. Repeat the process for the remaining bacon slices. Into a baking dish, 1 cup dark brown sugar. In goes your bacon. Coat all over, pressing to adhere. Place onto a wire rack-lined baking sheet. Bake at 375 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. Immediately transfer onto parchment paper to finish cooling. And there we have it, sweet and spicy candied bacon.